Tutu's eating her chicken noodle soup because hers is sick. You ready for another bite? Oh, hers is sick. Here goes. There you go. Like your chicken noodle soup. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Hi. Are you waving bye to Nevies and Aunt Church? See, Nevi have to come play with you again. Your two little sickies. Two little sickies can play together. Yes. No more? Are you full? You want a bite? You want a bite? I know the spoon is too big. You want some of your pudding? Your butterscotch pudding that Grammy Day Day gave you? Huh? Yeah. Oh, okay. Wait. No. No, don't spill it. Here goes. Want some pudding? It's your pudding. It's not your soup. You ate actually a lot of your soupies. You did. You ate a lot of your soup. Yeah, you like that butterscotch Oh. Okay, I don't know if that was a snot bubble or a butterscotch bubble.
I went down with charity.
Okay. Here goes. Hey. So you got it all over, Nana. You want some more pudding? Do you want some more of your soupies now? You want some more soupies? Look how much she ate of this, Mommy.
Is it good?
She ate a lot. I just now started taping her, and I think she's about done. Here. Hi, guys. Oh.
Tierney recorded a video on my phone.
Oh, I'll have to upload it on her page. Poor little girl. I tell you what, she gets good for being sick.
Yeah.
No, she just likes her nanny cooking. Not Nanny Janovich's is way better though. Yeah. Say Nanny Janovich will cook really good. You know what? If you don't sleep over at our house, I think I will.
Do you want to hear this video?
Okay, bye. Say bye-bye, guys. Say, Nana, you're nuts. I have no idea who we're saying goodbye to. Adios, amigos. ¿Dónde está el baño?